In this learning segment, I'm going to show you how to create an avatar and how to save it in Paint. To begin, we need to find our avatar link on our web page. So navigate to the Benton Elementary Media Technology Center page, then click on Links. From that, you'll need to scroll down to locate the avatar creators. Notice that there are two links. The first link gives us just a headshot avatar, and the second link gives us a full body avatar. Today we're going to just make the headshot avatar, so go ahead and click on that link. After you click on that link, our page will come up, and you'll see our avatar creator in the middle of the screen. To create the avatar, we're going to click on each one of these icons. So let's start by choosing the skin color. Then we'll move on over and we'll just navigate through each of the icons. So I'm going to click on my first icon, and it's the type of hair. I'm going to create a female avatar, so I'm going to choose this hair type right here, and I can notice down here I can change the color of the hair. Okay, now we'll just move on to the next icon, and it's add-ons to the hair or the head. Don't think I want to add any of those, so I'll just move on. Next are my eyes, and I'll change my eyes up a little bit. Okay, then we'll move on to the next one, which is the mouth. And we'll maybe choose this mouth. Okay. Moving on over. Okay, here we can add a hat if we'd like, and I'm going to choose this a hat. Let's try this one right here, and maybe we'll make that a blue hat. Okay, now I'm choosing my next avatar icon, and that's our beard or our mustache. Since it's a female, we don't need that, so we'll move on. If I wanted to add her glasses or any other icon here, I can just click that. Let's add her some glasses. Okay, and then here we can add a necklace or some other types of jewelry or decals. And notice that we have a yellow buttons, and so that moves our pages. Let's try these. Then next we can change her eyebrows. Maybe we want to choose that. Okay. And then our final icon would be goggles or headbands or any type of thing like that. We don't want to choose that. So now that we have our avatar created, what we're going to do is we're going to take a screenshot of our actual screen. So I'm going to hold down the function and the print screen key to make a picture. Then I'm going to navigate over to my Start button, and I'm going to look for Paint in my expandable toolbar. If I don't see it, I would just type Paint here in my search bar and it would pop up. So here it is, so I'm just going to click on it. My Paint is opening. I see my Paint down here. I'm just going to click on it. Okay, here's my Paint program. So I want to paste the screenshot that I took onto my Paint application. So I'm just going to click the clipboard. And notice that my screenshot appears. So what I'm looking for is just my avatar. So I want to select and crop just this part of the page here. So I'm going to go back up and I'm going to choose the square above select and click on it. And notice that when I move down, my arrow key or cursor turns into crosshairs. So I'm going to select just that image. And then I'm ready to crop it. So I'll click crop. And notice that now I just have an image of the avatar, so I'm ready to save it. So I would go back to my menu button, and I'm going to click that drop down arrow, and I'm going to go down to Save As, and then I'll need my image to be a JPEG. So I'm going to just move over and select JPEG and then do a left click. Notice that my save window comes up. I'm going to title my avatar and whatever name you'd like to use. And then I want to check my location to make sure it's in the correct location, and it is because I want to save it on my desktop. So I would just click Save. And now I have created an avatar and I have turned it into a JPEG using the Paint program. In today's learning lesson or learning segment, I have shown you how to create an avatar and to save it in Paint.